Hello student, in our previous video we have seen molecular weight determination by using RAS method. In this our video we will discuss some terms like osmosis and osmotic pressure. Osmosis and osmotic pressure. Now osmosis derived from the Greek word that is osmos meaning push is a phenomenon which refer to the movement or a passage of solvent molecule from pure solvent into a solution separated by semi-permeable membrane. It can also be passage of solvent molecule from dilute solution to concentrated solution separated by a semi-permeable membrane. But student, what is a semi-permeable membrane? So let us see the semi-permeable membrane. By definition, the membrane which allow only solvent molecule to pass through it is called semi-permeable membrane. See the below diagram. Now the diagram shows semi-permeable membrane. This rectangle middle part which having the semi-permeable membrane. Left hand side of the diagram contain solvent side, right hand side contain solution side. Of course, since it is a solution, it contain solute molecule that are red in color, solvent molecule black in color, and this one is a semi-permeable membrane. Now if we see, we get clear idea about the semi-permeable membrane. That is, by definition, it is called it allowed to pass only for the solvent molecule only and do not pass the solute molecule. As we see as shown in diagram, it having only the small pore size which can allow only the small solvent molecule and big solute molecule do not. So let us see some important definition. First, osmosis. So what is the osmosis? As we have seen the diagram for the semi-permeable membrane, again see as shown in diagram. The spontaneous flow of solvent molecule through semi-permeable membrane from solvent to solution or from lower concentration to higher concentration is called osmosis. So student, the left hand side of the diagram contain solvent, that is a pure solvent, whereas right hand side of the diagram contains solution, that is solute and a solvent. So the arrow from the left hand side shows there is a continuous flow of the solvent molecule from semi-permeable membrane from solvent side to solution side. So this process is known as osmosis. Next definition is the osmotic pressure. Let us see again the excess pressure applied on the solution side to prevent the flow of solvent molecule from solvent side to solution through semi-permeable membrane is called osmotic pressure. So it is denoted by pi. It is a colligative properties. See the diagram again. In the diagram as shown, left hand side of the diagram which contain the solvent, that is pure solvent, right hand side of the diagram shows solution, that is solute and solvent molecule. So as shown in a diagram, we can see the arrows which are moving from left hand side, that is a solvent molecule move continuously from left hand side to right hand side. At the same time, there are three arrows shown in a solution side, that they oppose to the solvent molecule, that do not come to our side, and due to this the excess pressure applied by the solution side to prevent the flow of solvent side, and this is nothing but a osmotic pressure. So student, I think you get what is the osmotic pressure. Let us see the next important application of osmosis and osmotic pressure include transport of fluid through cell membrane and the determination of molar mass by measurement of osmotic pressure, especially of micromolecules. Now, the isotonic solution. When two solutions have same osmotic pressure at a constant temperature are said to isotonic solution. Next, hypotonic solution. Such a solution where there is a higher water concentration outside the cell is called a hypotonic solution. So student, if you have any query regarding this topic, contact me personally and please follow the next link. Thank you.